This free event comes courtesy of Swinburne University's International Student Job Club. And this free event is Study Melbourne's Empowered Employability Programs. It's taking place on Monday the 9th of May 2022, starting at 2:30 p.m, and it's going to be held in the Swinburne Hawthorn Campus Lecture Theatre, room number TD121, Wakefield Street, Hawthorn. Study Melbourne has a range of international student employability events. Did you know that they have designed such an event to help you build employability skills, get involved in the community and make friends? Well, guess what? You can either join Study Melbourne online or on campus to learn more about Study Melbourne's range of free events featuring program organiser Tran Wing. Now, she's going to tell you more about global game changers, career catalyst mentors, everyday heroes, future founders, and more. Now, we recognise for a lot of international students, there's a lot of pressure on your time, squeezing in projects and tutorials and lectures and other activities. But guess what? If you can join Swinburne's Student Job Club for international students, if you can join them on campus, you better believe it, they've got some free food for you so you can snack and learn. This event is for Swinburne current students and alumni only. It's presented by Swinburne University and sponsored by Study Melbourne's International Education. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We're presenting a series of episodes about Melbourne's International Student Week. This is all presented as part of This is all presented by Study Melbourne and Jobs Victoria. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode. Melbourne International Student Week is presented by the Committee for Melbourne and proudly sponsored by Study Melbourne as an initiative of the Economic Development Department of the Victorian State Government.